Hello and welcome to the Baking Hour again. This is Brock.
This is Joe.
This is Zan.
And this is Zekeriya.
And this is not a cake. I mean, it is a cake.
It's a cake to commemorate my favorite food, chicken wings.
Mm.
And being that we're from Buffalo,
Native Buffalonians, yes.
you know we like
We eat
wings.
them for every meal of the day.
So you're starting off with the red velvet for this. It's the bucket part of the...
Yeah, keeping in tone with the color of flesh, I suppose. I don't know.
Flesh.
What?
Meat, chicken.
Chicken wing is white.
Well, the sauce. You know, it's
You
red
kinda
velvet.
made it weird.
Yeah.
So red velvet for the bucket.
And this
for
is
the
just
cake.
buttercream, obviously, just the regular stuff. So,
Swiss meringue. It's not regular.
oh, is it? All right.
Not that American trash.
Oh, okay. Well,
Oh, getting political.
Oh, shit.
so this is the first time we've made like a, you know,
Carved
Carved
cake.
carved
not
cake, yeah.
Conventional.
yeah,
Is that the
exactly.
word? Conventional.
Yeah, it's like extruded but tapered at the same time.
Yeah, I took my time
Use
with this
DPM
one.
terms
It's
there.
DPM Autodesk. But yeah, so this is kind of cool to see. And then,
Yeah, you can always take away cake. You can't necessarily put cake on, so
That's right. This took a little
take
while.
it nice and easy.
It's like you're sculpting.
be the marble.
Yes.
You have to find the bucket within the
You
cake.
gotta date the marble.
So, yeah, what's your guys' favorite wing spot?
I think we can all agree it's Duff's.
Duff's
The
is definitely
sauce.
up there. I've never disappointed.
Barbell.
Barbell was good.
Barbell's good.
I've yet
Yeah.
to try them. but
Yeah, I need to
hear
try
other
Definitely,
things.
definitely got to make the drive out there. It's a bit of a hike, but we should do it.
It's not that far, is it? It's right
Barbell?
on.
It's like a half-hour drive from here.
It's in Clarence, right?
I don't know.
Oh, you might be going.
more
We got to go to
importantly-
the original one.
And this is the crumb coat. Oh, this is where, like, this is how you flip the cake to get the bucket to stand like a bucket. It's very scary.
Yeah, I work out.
Yeah. One more. I was going to say Elmo's, too. They have good barbecue wings.
I like
That's sweet.
Lenovo's wings.
You know what? I'm going to take
I-
up on your offer. I'm never going to order Lenovo's again.
Well, I mean, whatever. Their wings are good. Like, I think.
I mean,
Sorry.
wrong,
I've been
but
disappointed so many times.
Damn.
For their prices, man.
If Lenovo's
I don't
watching,
mind paying a lot for food, but if I pay a lot, I expect good food. You know,
Exactly.
And it's
And I'm
Their,
just, I've
their
been let
barbecue,
down.
All right,
though,
that's enough of
their
Lenovo.
barbecue
That's-
wings.
Matina's wings are pretty
Matina's
good.
wings are really
So you're
good.
smoothing out the outside of the bucket, and then you're kind of
this
covering
was
the top.
kind of like I winged this part. I didn't really know.
You winged it?
Oh, Lord.
God.
Wait,
Okay.
I think I missed it. Did we do a crumb coat?
We
Yeah,
did
we
do
did.
that already. That's long gone. It's long gone. So this is the trimming of the bucket.
The rim.
Yeah, I just went with the flow. of
The rim
things,
job.
So we went with a pretty clean decor on the bucket itself.
I almost drove back home for one of these things.
I was so surprised I had that.
I was
in my,
happy you had that.
Stencil.
Yeah,
Yeah.
in my little toolbox.
Came out
Nothing.
perfect.
Buffalo stencil.
And then these, oh god, yeah, you didn't have to carve those. We would have been.
There for a
You
while.
went cheap.
Yeah.
Went the easy way out this time.
Okay.
I mean, work smarter.
There you go.
Not harder.
Work
Work harder, not smarter. But yeah, and then we inadvertently ripped off the Buffalo store logo.
Yikes.
Don't admit
Sorry,
it.
guys.
We didn't do. I said inadvertent. Like it was not on purpose.
It is similar.
It's kind of exactly the same, unintentionally. But
Very unintentional.
I was debating between doing this and actually just
I
putting
thought
like
you could-
716, but
I thought you were gonna do like them in a square, like a BFLO in a square, and the buffalo
well,
on the side.
I did what I could with
Had I
what I
known where you're
had.
gonna copyright.
All right, here we
infringe
go. Here we
upon
go.
Oh,
it, I would've
important,
stopped.
important here. Making
Yeah.
the wings.
Yeah.
Secret.
This is essentially just cake scraps that you can make cake pops with. But in this
frosting?
cake,
Was
yeah,
that
you like
frosting
mash
in
up
there?
cake, add some frosting until it gets like doughy, and then you can mold it, and that's what you make cake pops with. But
Looks like peanut butter balls.
yeah,
Just
yes.
wait till you guys see this. Like,
Just why?
they looked so. They
Disturbingly.
looked like real, but also so disgusting.
Well, when the
It's like wax food. You know when you get
Uncanny
like
Valley
it's like
shit.
wax figurines of food,
Yeah.
like they're on display, and they're obviously fake, but they just look.
Well, you'll know what I'm talking about in like a minute, but it's like if you took a chicken wing and like extracted all of the life and like vitality of a chicken wing, and it just left it as
A
bare,
soulless wing.
a
is a
soulless
soulless
wing. Yeah, it's like
wing.
a ghost
It's
of a
like
chicken
a
wing.
vampire wing.
That's some modeling chocolate that I'm using.
Ghosts of chicken wings past. That's what I was
So
trying
you
to
made
think
the
of.
cake and then you put chocolate over it.
Yeah, it's easier to sculpt.
So this isn't fondant.
No, because fondant like would tear and
Wait,
rip
that's
and
chocolate.
It's white
White
chocolate.
chocolate?
Yeah.
Chocolate can be white?
I was disappointed. These
Joe, you're
drumsticks
fired.
came so big. Did not mean for
What?
it to be that
Oh,
big.
the drumsticks.
Because
The
like I didn't
drumsticks
take into
were
account
thick.
the level of.
Let it be
chocolate
known,
going
I
over it.
warned you that the drumstick was too large,
Yeah.
and you ignored me.
Well, if it was
Stick
a
to
real
the
wing,
camera.
we'd like it, right?
I was gonna
Yeah,
say
a lot of
that's
meat.
the sort of
But
wing
it
I would
would-
like.
But this, yeah, I was gonna say you go out to eat and you get a.
That was like an
dingy
ostrich wing.
No.
I was like, can you imagine
Want thick,
dipping an
meaty
ostrich wing into like a
chickens.
kiddie pool of blue cheese?
As long as it's got some hot sauce on it, I'll eat it, baby.
If anyone eats wings with ranch, though, turn off the video.
You're such a classic buffalo.
Oh wow.
What if you don't use either? I don't like ranch or blue cheese. Just go in with the.
I
Yeah,
could
I like
survive
blue cheese
without a
going.
blue
I
cheese.
could do
but
wings, yeah. If the wings are amazing, no blue cheese is needed. But blue cheese also.
hot and medium
I like
or mild.
some bites I take
Depends where you're
without, some
getting
I
them at.
do with blue
Duff's,
cheese.
I go for the medium hot.
No,
Bitch.
hot.
Actually,
hot.
no. I've been venturing into the hot.
We
because-
want hot always.
Yeah.
Always hot. And then if you got the option, like if you got like a 50 order, then you obviously split it with half barbecue.
spicy barbecue, not regular.
Damn, my mouth is watering.
I've been wanting wings like this whole day.
We haven't had them in a while. We gotta
Yeah.
go.
So this is like where the feathers get plucked out of the wing.
I just like kind of
That's
felt it
pretty
out.
nasty.
Would you?
looking.
Would you,
Peter, close
feel
your
did you
eyes.
look
Well,
that up or
Just
something?
like, yeah, I researched my chicken.
You
wing
can
scalpel
see it
skills.
on the
I mean,
wings.
yeah, it's
Oh.
on wings.
I've
they
never
have
even realized that.
Yeah,
They're
it's
like,
like
little
the-
dots.
Yeah.
I guess I'm not a real buffalo.
And this is like the bone pores.
A lot of detail.
Yeah, that was disturbing. I don't like that.
Lots
How
of
long did you
detail.
stare at a chicken wing?
I actually wanted like an actual one by me so I could like get the 3D like.
I'm
look
I'm
of
just
it.
eating
I had
them
to
while I'm
base this off
recording
just
this.
images.
But
But it
yeah,
was fun because you can't really go wrong with it as long as it's got some weird texture and stuff.
just
It'll
carries
look-
like you're
That's
almost
true.
like a vet now. You know the anatomy of a chicken leg or wing.
Well, are the wings essentially the?
No, it's all the wing.
Forget that. We'll edit that out.
He was
What
gonna
were you
find
gonna
himself in
ask?
the
He's gonna
wrong.
ask if wings are also comprised of the legs, but that's
I
not
thought-
the case. It's all just.
Well,
the
what's
arm.
the drumstick?
It's all the arm,
But where?
the shoulder to the elbow, and the elbow.
That's the drumstick.
Yeah, and the wing, the other flat
thick
is
shoulder.
the.
I was gonna say they got not even the. Wait,
Wait, no, the wing. No, because the wing is the flat. Because it has another piece connected to it. They break off.
It's an L shape. I know. Yes, this part that we're looking at right now is the like the end of the wing, like the skinnier part, and then attaches to the like ball socket, which is the drumstick.
Yeah, whatever.
Drumstick or flats, guys?
flats.
Definitely flats.
I'm not picky, but I do like flats.
I prefer a moister chicken wing than a crunchy one. I feel like the drumsticks get a bit too chunky.
Yeah, they
have
tend
a
to
lot
run
of-
dry.
They have like a
Cartilage. A lot of
Yeah, they have
There's a lot of stuff gotta
cartilage.
work
Oh,
around.
that looks
A lot of anti-meat.
So gross.
Anti-meat.
That looks like
Yeah, these wings don't
Oh.
really end up looking like wings until they're sauced.
Yeah, I
Just
know.
keep that in mind.
That's true.
Just bear
This
with
part,
us.
oof.
the wood, not
Yeah.
wood, the bone. Like
Bro, yeah.
What?
just looks so.
He looks like he's
I hate
finishing
it.
a table or something.
I don't know what's up with this. Like
What's funny is it looks like he's painting
Shaming
marble.
me for my.
It's uncanny.
My
It's
craft.
just like
I mean, it
it's-
looks
it's
like a
really close
wing,
to a
but,
wing,
like,
but
it
it's
looks
not,
like-
so it disturbs you.
look
But yeah, this is where it gets real.
at that.
What is that? Some margarine and
Oh no, it's
It's margarine and red hot
basically-
franks.
Oh god. No, it's strawberry sauce that I like pureed. So I just dyed it with a little yellow to make it orange. But
Nice.
You guys remember taking a bite into that?
I do.
It was pretty weird.
I did not.
It
Oh
was
wait, I did try
disturbing.
it a little
Yeah,
bit.
you did.
Yeah, it was
something
messed
about
up.
wearing gloves and placing these make
It was
look all
hilarious,
more
dude.
like if it was just my bare hands,
Makes
it
it
would be
look
a little
like
more cakey.
you're a
but this
lunch
is just-
lady.
Yeah.
Or like you're handling something that shouldn't be handled or something.
Oh.
Look at that sauce.
And then some final drippity drip.
the polish.
sauce.
Drip, drip.
Oof.
Mark Weens.
Mark
Shout out.
Weens. Oh,
Shout out
wow.
to Mark Wheat's friend.
I mean, this
drip,
is
drip,
like,
drip. What was his name? Mexi Papa.
Maxi
Okay,
Papa,
Mexican
yeah.
Here we
Poppy.
go. Here's the buffalo bucket of wings.
Yeah. Made to
Happy,
order.
What's it?
Hot.
Wing Day?
National Chicken Wing.
National Chicken Wing Day.
Of course.
That's what we're celebrating,
Yeah,
and we
that's why
chose
we're
to bring
doing
it up
it.
at the end of the video.
Yeah. But
Oh,
here's
here it goes.
here's the cross section of what the wing looks
This
like.
isn't an
What if it's
actual
just
wing.
like an actual chicken wing?
Oh, God.
No.
See, that looks good. Like you kind of would, in a way,
I don't
want to
know
eat that,
about
but once
that.
you taste it, it's
My
just,
mouth feels weird just thinking about it.
I think it was the white chocolate.
But the cross section that looks very moist. The red velvet.
That was a good cake, actually.
moist.
Moist.
I'm not
Like-
gonna lie though, eating the wing kind of ruined my appetite, just because it's like the psychological
so
It was
aspect.
weird.
very. It was a lot more psychological than I thought.
Yeah. But yeah, that was our Chicken Wing Day video. Thank you for watching. Go out and support all your favorite local
Wing places.
Bye.